Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Is there anything better than a hot cup of coffee on a cold day? Yes, it would be a hot cup of peppermint mocha coffee.
Anytime I get a coffee out at a coffee shop in the winter, it's going to be a peppermint mocha. So the fact that I can make this from the comfort of my own home in my Keurig so quickly is amazing. It's Starbucks quality every time. And the moment you start brewing this, it smells like peppermint mocha in the air. Oh my word, I wish you could smell it through this video because it is literally incredible. And it's Starbucks quality coffee in a single serve coffee maker. So it's quick. I can make this on the go at home, but Starbucks doesn't use artificial flavoring in their coffee. So I really appreciate that. It's delivering on the peppermint mocha taste. So yummy and so easy to use. I love it.
I am so obsessed with this flavor. I love that I can make it from the comfort of my own home and just pop it into my single serve coffee maker and I'm good to go. Check this out if you have one and you love peppermint mocha. That's just my point of view.